to our gorgeous channel, and I'm finally able to try this no makeup look. I was very hesitant at first to try it because I'm a full makeup person and I'm not really sure if I'm able to justify it, but it turns out to be a good one. Anyway, continue watching if you want to learn more, and let's get started. Please don't forget to spread love and kindness. I'm going to be using this Laura Mercier Hydrating Primer to let my makeup stays all day long. And using this Urban Decay Brow Beater in Neutral Brown really helps me achieve the shape of the eyebrow that I really wanting. And I'm going to be using this LA Colors Concealer in CC907 to give like a good definition of my eyebrow. And I use a lighter shade than my skin tone and blend it well. I will also use this Haus Labs Tricone Concealer in 13 Light Medium. This concealer is the best because it really wakes my eyes up and without compromising my skin. And I use my concealer brush to blend it well. I use 2 shades of this Bare Minerals Serum Liquid Foundation with SPF 20. One is the Bare Latte and the other one is Satin Silk. Using my foundation brush to blend it well. To give like a smooth effect under my eyes, I am going to be using this Haus Labs Loose Powder in Neutral Peach. My powder foundation in shade Medium Tan, I'm using this IT Cosmetics Powder Foundation. Then I'm using this NARS Cabo San Lucas as a base of my eyeshadow. To apply a darker shade on the outer corner of my eyes, I am going to be using this Bare Minerals eyeshadow in Bare in Neutrals. I also apply it under my waterline. And for my bronzer, I am going to be using this Haus Labs bronzer in medium level 5 to give like a little contour. For my blush, I'm going to be using this You Had Me at Merlot shade from Bare Minerals. And then also I will contour my nose using the same bronzer from Haus Labs. To define my cheekbone and the temple of my forehead, I am going to be using the same loose powder from Haus Labs. Then I will use this NYX Epic Liquid Eyeliner in black. I'm going to be using the Sephora Gel Liner in Shimmer Fuchsia just under the waterline, and then Half Lash from Kiss. And the glue that I use is Paris Hilton Magnetic Glue. This really gives a good grip. Then I will use this Rare Beauty Highlighter in Mesmerize to give like a nice shimmer of my cheekbone. And I will set my makeup using this Urban Decay All Nighter Long Lasting Setting Spray. Then I use again Haus Labs Loose Powder all over my face. For my lip liner, I am going to be using this NYX lip liner in Cold Brew. This is to give like a nice shape of my lips. Then I use Huda Beauty Matte Liquid Lipstick in Muse. Then I'm going to be using this Dior Cherry Lip Oil. This is to give like a nice shine of my lips. There you go, beautiful people. I hope you enjoy my own version of no makeup look. And I would like to say thank you all for watching. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you all next time. And let's not forget to spread love and kindness for this holiday season.